This is the Andre Fu suite at Upper House in Hong Kong, designed by Andre Fu, one of my favorite designers. And he designs the ceramics and the furniture, as well as the overall interiors. What's so hilarious is that in 3 days' time, I'm coming here to a dinner in the Andre Fu suite. Rob Report Hong Kong is having a dinner here, and this is the dining room where I will be dining in 3 nights' time. This was a bedroom, apparently, and they've converted it into multi-use, and also they've turned the bathroom into a private massage room with 2 beds. Very clever of them. The windows, by the way, are all transparent, so people can see in. I wonder how many of the guests, not necessarily staying in this suite, but staying here, forget to push the privacy button before having a shower or a bath. So let's go on through. This is the sitting room of the Andre Fu suite. And now we're in the bedroom that is still the bedroom. I was told with great pride that they've just put more USBs. Oh goodness, there's a photo of me. That's clever. And I love the dark blue sheets. And the sofa that fits the corner of the room exactly. Yeah, there we are. That's where the USBs are, under there. And this is the extant bathroom. What an amazing makeup dressing area with a steamer right there, as well as a Dyson hairdryer. 2 sinks. And up to the bathtub. And from the bathtub, looking from the 44th floor down to Central and across to the mainland.